My name is Rani Ziad. I am the General Manager of Azizi GRC. We are specialists here in GRC and GRG and GRB products for the Azizi development requirement. We are producing facade elements for all requirement of Azizi and Gardenia. We start from the engineering to the production and to the installation at site. In Azizi GRC currently we have 600 workers distributed on the factory and on the site. We are planning to increase this manpower to 1,000 workers to catch the 1,000 square meter required to cover all Azizi plan in Dubai South and Maidan and Dubai City projects. As what we say always, you sketch, we build.